We'll say that a lot tonight, warm-ups. Right, next game is called sound effects. This one, do you want to explain this?
Right. Does anybody want to be brave enough to be a volunteer? Oh, yes, straight in there. Who was that? Give us a wave. Where are you up at the top? You're going to have to come down here then.
There's a staircase just there, though.
Come on, come on. Have we got any appropriate walk down the stairs music?
No.
No. We'll just do one.
Memories at the corner. She's going a long way around.
He's going. Get in the lift. He's got to get in the lift. Oh, come up the stairs. They were going to just free jump the stage there.
We have got public liability, but you know.
Right,
get a chair.
Right, what's your name? Dave, say hello to everyone, Dave.
Hello, Dave.
Say hello, Dave. Dave, did you get dressed in the dark tonight? Right, very good. Have a sit down there, Dave. This is how it's going to work, my friend, okay? You look suave, I like it. Very good. Right, we are going to act out a very, very noisy scene, and you are going to make all the sound effects with this microphone. Bring it closer to you, okay? Now, before we choose this scene, let's do a little tester, okay? So, Chris, we're walking up the road, and we see a massive helicopter above us. It could be a helicopter or it could be a rubber reliant. Starting up, couldn't it?
It's good, Dave.
Good,
You're doing well.
Dave. Good, Dave. Good. Remember, get your mouth close to it when you do it. There we go.
The
Right.
lady in the last show just went shh for everything, so
Yeah.
you're already winning, Dave.
Right, okay. Let's have, from our wonderful audience, let's have a location, a place we could be with lots of noises going on.
Gynecologist.
Somebody says psoriasis down there.
Somebody said gynecologist. I mean,
it could be noisy, I guess.
not tonight it won't. We're not doing that.
I mean, we could do it, but we won't work again here, so...
Any other noisy places?
Prison.
So someone say prison?
What was upstairs?
A railway station. I like that. Shall we go a railway station? Or,
Yeah,
or
next to
prison?
All of it. Prison next to a gynecologist's office with a railway station.
Right.
What do you want to do?
We'll do railway station. So,
Railway
listen
station,
for the
Dave.
prompts to do the sound effects. Feel free to throw your own in. Go freestyle. Right, okay. I'm worried about this one. Right, we're at railway station.
Railway station, here we go. You ready, Dave?
Yeah.
Good.
Oh, I'm looking forward to this journey.
Oh, yes. I've been on this journey many times before.
Oh, hang on. I think that's a Tannoy announcement.
Now arriving on platform 1, on your way to I'm stopping at all stations and bringing you that.
He's had a few, hasn't he?
Yes. Oh, the other platform, people on the platform are clapping for him. That's nice.
I think I can hear a train in the distance.
Oh yes, that'll be the B471.
My God, we've gone back to the 1920s.
Look, he's coming now. He's a cheerful driver, he just went woo woo.
Oh, it's kept going. That wasn't ours, was it?
No.
Yeah.
I'll just get my notebook out.
Get your notebook out.
James, what's your notebook?
Let's have a look. Oh, it's one of them quiet ones.
It is, yes. It's massive.
Beg your pardon.
I do apologise, I've had some beans. I'll just make a few notes. Got a lot of ducks around here, haven't there? Anyway, have you ever been on this train before?
Oh, that's a good one. Would you like one of my crisps?
Oh, I love it.
I'll just open this bag of crisps. I still don't want them ducks.
Oh, no.
Have one of them, have a munch of that.
Oh, yeah. I ate them very daintily.
Let me try one.
Ding. I think there's another announcement coming, hang on.
Research train on platform 3 we're going to stand by pushing yellow car and to see you go.
We're in Wales, I just...
Yes.
We are in Wales, yes. Right, what, do we get on the train?
Yeah, but do you think... Someone said to me my shoes were a bit squeaky. When I have a walk, are they squeaky? Let me know.
I think it's your backside, not your shoes. It's definitely your backside, Oh, the train's coming, Listen. Hang on a minute. You be quiet, look. Shushing me from back.
Right, okay, I'm going to press the button to get on.
Did you just blow me a kiss? Get on, go.
Mind the gap.
Oh, there is a gap. Mind the gap. Right. Anyway, we get on.
Yeah.
Where's it going this then?
Well, wait for the announcement.
All right. Make sure we're on the right one.
Surprise.
I'm going to bring this up out of window. Fantasy, go, go, go.
Same place.
It's him again, isn't it?
Next stop, Pontypool.
Pontypool we going to. That's where we're going to, Pontypool. I like a bit of Pontypool, do you?
Yeah, I love it. Yes,
Yeah.
I do. Yes. Yes.
Oh.
Yes. Yes.
And we'll end on that. Give Dave a big round of applause.
Well done, that's it, my friend.
Thank you,
Well
Dave.
done. Safe journey down the steps.
Don't jump off. Dave, Dave, you're a madman.
It's crazy, isn't it?
Have we got a prize for Dave? No. I like how he's going the long way again. It's literally a staircase. Dave.
It was Annie
Don't care.
that